So I wanted to show you how easy this ladder is to put together. This is the base and it has the letter A on it, and you're going to take your two letter B's, flip it over, and just pop them into place. Once you have those popped in place, we're going to take these little white parts and every single spot that you see around the side, we're going to put this in for extra grip. Just to show you, even if you have curved pieces down here, you have straight pieces here, these are bendable so they can curve, and you just push them straight in. Once you got all your grippies on the bottom, flip it back over, and you're going to take your A and your B and clip them together here at the top like this, and then you'll find your letter A and your letter B and line them up with the A and B on the base, just like this. Pop it in. Next, you'll want to take the step part that has the two little footprints and slide it right on top. And we can also take the last two long parts and put them right in this direction. And you want to angle them back. And this is the part that's adjustable, which we'll get into in just a second, where you can put your little screw wherever you need to for your potty's height. Once you've figured out the right height for your stairs, you will take these two pieces. One is the outside, one is the inside. You'll take the inside one and go through the hole this way, and the outside one through the hole this way. And you can start to tighten them, but it also comes with these two pieces, which will help you tighten things quickly and easily. Once you've got everything tightened up, you can grab the seat, pop the little bear on there. You'll also notice you have some squares indented here. This is where your Velcro is going to go, so you're just going to peel it and stick it right there so that you can stick the squishy seat right in there. And before I do that, I'm gonna add the handles, which just click right in here. Once your handles are in and you Velcroed the squishy seat in, you will flip it over and you'll find 3 more places for these grippy parts that will help keep it from sliding on top. You've got one right here at the back, and you've got 2 here in the front. We're gonna pop these in, and then the final thing you'll do is set your potty up on the ladder, and you'll use the same screws that we used down here right here to attach it. And that's all it is. It's a quick and easy setup for such a cute little chair.